Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Blender Black Friday is probably one of the most exciting times for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen arsenal. With the holiday season just around the corner, retailers are slashing prices on a wide array of blenders, from personal blenders perfect for quick smoothies to high-powered models capable of crushing ice and handling tough ingredients. This is the perfect opportunity to snag that blender you've been eyeing all year without breaking the bank. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender. This blender has 700 watts of peak blending power and stainless steel ice saber blades. It gives you all the power you need to make smoothies, protein shakes, and frozen drinks. The patented wave action system continuously forces ingredients down into the blades. This ensures everything is thoroughly crushed with ease. The spout lets you pour contents into your glass without spills or drips. Serving with this electric blender is easy and mess-free. The glass jar holds 40 ounces. The jar, lid, and removable blades are all dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. This multifunction kitchen blender has 12 functions controlled by 5 buttons. It blends and crushes ice for smoothies and milkshakes, and it also purees, dices, and chops. What we like? This blender features a unique wave action, or system, ensuring incredibly smooth results. It continuously pulls ingredients down into the blades for thorough crushing. If you are looking for a blender that simplifies cleanup, this one is dishwasher safe. With 12 blending functions, it offers versatility for all your blending needs. What people say? It's powerful enough to crush ice and blend smoothies quickly, and the glass jar feels sturdy. The blender is easy to assemble and the glass jar feels sturdy and high quality. I really like the control panel. It's straightforward, with clearly labeled settings for different blending needs such as smoothies, ice crushing, and more. Number 4. Ninja BL610 Professional Blender. This blender boasts 1000 watts of professional power. It can crush ice and break down any tough ingredient with ease. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for making large batches. You can create frozen drinks and creamy smoothies for the whole family with it. This technology delivers unbeatable power. The blades pulverize and crush through ice, fruits, and vegetables in seconds. Blast ice into snow in seconds. You can blend your favorite ingredients into delicious, resort-style frozen drinks with this blender. A recipe guide is included to provide inspiration. It helps you create a variety of drinks and dishes. The pitcher is BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Cleanup is as simple and easy as using the blender itself. You'll receive a 1000-watt motor base and a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher with a lid. Get ready to blend. What we like? The Ninja Professional Blender uses total crushing technology to pulverize ice and tough ingredients. Its XL capacity is perfect for making large batches for the whole family. If you like making frozen drinks and smoothies, this blender is a great choice. It's also easy to clean, with dishwasher-safe parts, making your life easier. What people say? The 1000-watt motor is super powerful, and it crushes ice in seconds for perfect smoothies and frozen drinks. The large capacity pitcher is great for family use, and cleanup is surprisingly easy. This blender design is the best as the blades grab everything from the bottom through close to the top and mixes everything. Number 3. Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System. Introducing the Ninja Mega Kitchen System. This powerful appliance boasts a 1500-watt motor, perfect for tackling any blending or food processing task. It's designed to deliver professional results right in your own kitchen. The XL 72 ounces pitcher features total crushing blades. This technology crushes ice to snow in seconds and powers through tough ingredients. It's ideal for large batches and entertaining. Included are two 16 ounces Ninja cups with to-go lids. These are perfect for personalized shakes and smoothies. Now you can enjoy your creations wherever you go. It delivers consistent, even chopping, pureeing, and mixing. It includes a dedicated chopping blade, plus dough blade, capable of mixing up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. Choose from 4 functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve. This allows you to select the best setting for your recipe and meal prep needs. It's truly a versatile kitchen companion. It features 4 unique blades optimized for every task. From total crushing blades for XL blending to Pro extractor blades for on-the-go and chopping and dough blades for the processor bowl. This system ensures optimal performance for every function. The BPA-free parts are dishwasher safe. This makes cleanup a breeze, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. It's designed for your convenience. What we like. This Ninja Mega Kitchen system boasts a powerful 1500W motor, perfect for crushing ice and blending frozen fruits. It also includes food processing capabilities, allowing you to chop, puree, and mix with ease. If you like making smoothies and shakes to take with you, this blender includes two 16 ounces Ninja cups with to-go lids, making it ideal for your on-the-go lifestyle. What people say. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System, 1500W, is a versatile and powerful appliance that works as a blender, food processor, and personal smoothie maker, delivering smooth blends and easily handling tough tasks like crushing ice, mixing dough, and chopping ingredients. The 72-ounce blender and 8-cup food processor are perfect for both large and small batches, and the two 16-ounce cups make it easy to take smoothies on the go. I love its compact, sturdy design. I wanted something I could leave out on my counter, and space was definitely a concern, as I really only had one place to put a food processor. While I had to make room in my cupboard for the attachments, the actual unit takes up very little space, and having it out and ready to go means I use it almost daily. Number 2. NutriBullet Blender Combo 1200W, Dark Gray. Introducing the NutriBullet Blender Combo. This powerful blender takes your nutrition to the next level. It offers both single-serving cups and a large pitcher for all your blending needs. With 1,200 watts of power, this blender can handle anything. It's perfect for smoothies, soups, sauces, and more. It makes creating healthy meals easy. Whether you want a single serving or multiple, this blender has you covered. Use the 64-ounce pitcher or the individual cups. It's designed for your convenience. Cleaning up is a breeze. The pitchers and cups are made from durable plastic and are dishwasher safe. This makes your life easier. The blades, cups, and pitcher work together for optimal nutrient extraction. It turns ordinary food into superfood. You can get the most out of your ingredients. The package includes a 1200W motor base, a 64-ounce blender, 2 cups, to-go lids, an extractor blade, and a recipe book. It also comes with a 1-year limited warranty. What we like. The NutriBullet Blender Combo offers 1200 watts of power, making it easy to create a wide variety of recipes. It gives you multiple serving options with both a blender pitcher and individual cups. If you are looking for a blender that focuses on nutrient extraction, this one is designed to turn ordinary food into superfood. What people say. The blender is easy to use. It has multiple speed settings. The blender is easy to clean. Number 1. Vitamix Explorian Blender, professional grade, 64 ounces, black. This Vitamix blender allows you to refine every texture with culinary precision. It has 10 variable speeds, from the smoothest purees to the heartiest soups. You can layer coarse chops over smooth purees with the pulse feature. This is perfect for heartier recipes, such as chunky pasta sauce or thick vegetable soups. The blender has a powerful 2.2 HP motor. This motor propels the blades through tough ingredients to create the highest quality blends. Cleaning is easy with this machine. With a drop of dish soap and warm water, it can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds, and no disassembly is required. Each machine undergoes a careful 17-point inspection. The packaging components are streamlined, and it's available at an unbeatable price. The box includes the motor base, a 64-ounce low-profile container, and a tamper. Everything you need to get started is included. What we like. The Vitamix Explorian blender offers variable speed control, allowing you to refine every texture with precision. It also includes a pulse feature for layering textures. If you like the convenience of easy cleaning, this blender can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds with just soap and water. What people say. It performs precisely as you'd anticipate from a Vitamix. It's an absolute powerhouse. Whether I'm concocting smoothies, simmering soups, or experimenting with pesto recipes, this blender has yet to disappoint. It consistently delivers impeccably smooth, creamy, and flawlessly blended results, aligning seamlessly with the expectations of a professional-grade machine. One of its standout attributes, in my opinion, is its user-friendliness. The controls are intuitively designed, facilitating seamless transitions between speeds and ensuring I achieve the ideal texture for any recipe with ease. It makes soups, nut butters, another favorite in our household, frozen treats and more. That was a huge selling point for us. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.